want Italian food but want to keep it healthy, today I'm gonna make cheesy chicken meatballs with zucchini noodles as the pasta. I got this recipe from Sara, so I'll link it below. I'm gonna replace the cheese with vegan cheese because I can't really handle dairy that well, but if you can handle dairy just fine, just use regular cheese. This is my first time trying out this recipe, so I'm gonna try it out with you guys. Alright, so I started by preheating the oven to 400 degrees, and I got the recipe right here and organic ground chicken. You can also use turkey as well. And I'm gonna stick that in a bowl. And then the recipe here says to just put all the other ingredients except the marinara. So I'm gonna put a little bit of black pepper. I'm gonna put some cut up garlic, which I got over here. I already minced my garlic and cut it up. We're gonna use a tablespoon of onion powder. You're supposed to use parsley, fresh parsley also as well, but I don't have that with me, so that's okay. You could still just improvise. And then I'm gonna put some oregano, about a half teaspoon, a half teaspoon of basil. I'm taking the lids off so that I could get more out of there. Some sea salt, let me grab that. Half teaspoon of sea salt. A half cup Parmesan, I'm using Follow Your Heart. And then I think I got a cup thing out. See, I'm losing it. Quarantine's making me lose it. So this is a cup, so I'm just gonna do a half cup. Half cup Parmesan. And then we got a half cup of almond flour. So I got a brand new almond flour bag here. I'm going to pour this. Remember you guys, I said I'm a messy cook. And then lastly, we got half a cup full of mozzarella. Again, I'm using vegan mozzarella by Follow Your Heart. I don't like Daya. I just realized I put, oh wait, yeah, we are doing a full cup. Wow, guys. So I don't really like Daya and some other brands. I like Follow Your Heart, and I like, especially because it's casein-free and gluten-free. And I like the brands that use actual like nuts and stuff too. So after you put everything in the bowl, they said to just kind of use your hands and mix it all together. And then what we're gonna do is roll it into balls and place it on a tray. So in the recipe, she used a casserole tray. I happen to not have one for some reason. I don't know what happened to it, but so I'm gonna use a baking dish instead. All right, so you wanna mix it good so all the spices get in all the chicken and all the mozzarella and the Parmesan. So it's nice and mixed. And then I got my baking tray right here. And I'm gonna roll it into little balls. So she recommends rolling them into about 2-inch balls. This reminds me of when I make my cookies. I always seem to make them ginormous. So I'm gonna lightly spray my meatballs with some avocado oil and non-stick spray here. And I'm gonna stick them in the oven. She has you stick it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes here. So I'll be back. All the meatballs are cooking. I zoodled up my zucchini already. I forgot to show it. And I used my little cheap zoodler. And then I threw some oil in a pan. I let them saute for about 3 minutes max on high heat because I don't like for them to get super soggy. And then I take them off, and it's so easy to make zoodles. So this is super unprofessional, but I poured way too much in my cup. It got all over me, and my pan looks like a crazy mess, but you know what? I'm just gonna keep it going. So I also made a mistake and added the mozzarella in the mixture, but hey, now the mozzarella is in my meatballs. So you're supposed to top the mozzarella and the marinara sauce on the meatballs, and then you stick it back in the oven for about another 5 to 10 minutes here. So I'm just gonna keep it going. This is the finished product here. We got zucchini noodles. I also sauteed some asparagus, and then I topped it off with the meatballs and added a little drizzle of sauce. I was trying to make it look a little pretty. But yeah, I'm gonna try it right now and let you guys know how it tastes. So I'm gonna do a little taste test right here. Oh my God, it's so good. This is so good. I approve of this recipe. So yummy. Nice and healthy. Check it out. Super protein filled. You can get your veggies in. You could do regular pasta too, but yeah. Thanks guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, follow me, and I'll see you guys next. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe tryout. I thought it'd be fun to start to show more recipes that I try out and more recipes that I use, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys next time.